Have you ever got so drunk you've had to build a zoo? Well, for one patron in Amsterdam in this bar called In 't Apien, managed to get himself so trolleyed all the time that he ended up building a zoo. This is one of only 2 buildings in Amsterdam which survived the 1452 fire which destroyed the city. Nestled neatly on the corner of the red light district today, this old building used to be close to the old sea dike, and this meant plenty of sailors would come and enjoy a drink here. When they found they'd had far too much to drink and run out of money, they would offer to leave their monkeys behind as payment, which they picked up upon their travels. When the monkeys overran the pub, one of the regulars, Gerard Westerman, decided to take them, and he built Artis Zoo in the centre of Amsterdam.